Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Lady Math. In this video, I'm going to share a great routine that is the building blocks for counting and even multiplication. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Counting in a circle is one of the most fun activities you can do with your young learners. I'm going to show you how to use this collaborative activity to teach many of the numeracy concepts needed for what we call basic math. First, you need to seat your learners in a circular setting. They can do this on the rug or standing around the room. Then, depending on the age or skill development, you need to decide on two things. 1. What number you will start at. And 2. What number you will skip by. For the youngest learners, you should start at 1. And skip count by 1. Now simply allow students to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. There are a couple of questions that come up. Like, what do you do if a student doesn't call out the next number? Or, what if they call out the wrong number? In both scenarios, the teacher should have the number sequence corrected either by offering the right number or asking a volunteer to do so. Regardless, remind the learners, the purpose of this activity is to build our math muscles, together. Remember, this is a short activity and should not take more than 10 minutes. Also, the sequence should not go beyond the learner's capacity. For example, if I am working with pre-K, I can stop them at the number 20. And start over multiple times. Once you feel confident about the learner's ability to count in the correct sequence, you can start adjusting what number to start with. For example, ask the learners to start at 7 and skip by 1. 7, 8, 9, or any number you would like. This routine, if done daily, will secure that your learners are strengthening their counting, listening, and even their mental math skills. The best part about this routine is using it to skip count. By changing the number to skip count by, you can begin building learners' sense of multiplication. For example, if we start at 10 and skip count by 10, I will essentially teach learners their multiplying by 10 facts. 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. I encourage you to do this with the number 5 next. Then 2. By second and third grade, you can do this activity with 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, this routine must be done often. The repetition and low stakes will help learners solidify their math sense. Although my favorite way to facilitate this routine is in larger groups, I have done this in partnerships. The same rules apply. Encourage the partners to support each other if there is an error in the sequence. If you're a parent, you can also do this with your learner. It can definitely be done one-on-one with an adult or a sibling. Go ahead and try this with your learners. Let me know in the comments if you have used this routine in the past. And check out my other videos.